We will now calculate the epi week for the date of admission of patients. Before we actually start doing that, I will come to a new spreadsheet and I'm just going to write the first day of the first epi week of the year. So in this case, the first day of the first epi week of 2024 was actually December 31st, 2023. I'll come here on the Home tab and I'm going to form it not as a date, but as general. And I get a number 45,291. I am going to copy that number. I'm going to select it here on the formula bar. Just press Control C. I'll get out of the formula and I don't actually need this spreadsheet anymore. It's okay to delete it. Let's go to our database. We're going to insert a new column. We're going to name it EpiWeek. And we're going to calculate it using the formula that we did in a separate section. So we start by the equal sign. We use the int function. We open 3 parentheses. We make a relative reference to the cell that contains the date that we want to use it, date of admission. Now I'm going to subtract from it. I'm going to paste that value that I had just copied. So that's the value that represents the first day of the first epi week. I close the first parenthesis, divided by 7. Close another parenthesis, add 1 to it, and close the last parenthesis. And when I press enter, I have the epi week of all the patients. It is formatted as a date. We don't want it as a date. We want it to have a general format. Now we have the epi week in which all of the patients have been seen is calculated here.